Okay children, now I am going to take one more example of electrovalent bonding, that is formation of magnesium chloride. Formation of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Now I am going to draw first atomic orbit structure. So if we draw the atomic orbit structure for formation of magnesium chloride, first we will draw the atom of magnesium, Mg, atomic number 12, electronic configuration 282. So first shell, there are total 3 shells. First shell 1, 2, second shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and third shell there are 2 electrons. So this is magnesium. Now you are very well able to see that magnesium, one atom is combining with 2 chlorine atoms. So we are going to show 2 chlorine atoms, Cl, first shell 1, 2, second shell 8 electrons, we are showing with the help of dots, and third shell of chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. This is the first chlorine atom with electronic configuration 287, and second chlorine atom, what will you do? Cl 1, 2, 3. So this is first shell 2 electrons, second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, third shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons. So these are the 2 chlorine atoms with electronic configuration 287. Now what will happen for the formation of magnesium chloride? What will happen? Magnesium has 2 electrons in the outermost shell. If it loses these 2 electrons, it will become stable, proceed towards stability. So it will lose one of its electrons to this chlorine and another electron to second chlorine. So like this, both the electrons from the outermost shell are lost. One goes to one chlorine atom, another goes to another chlorine atom. So now what happens? Magnesium becomes magnesium ion Mg2 plus with 2 electrons in the first shell and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the second shell, and then Mg will have 2 plus charge because it has lost 2 electrons, and the electronic configuration of Mg2 plus will be 2,8. Mg2 plus will be 2,8, and 2 chlorines are there. So first chlorine 1, 2, this is the first chlorine which has received 1 electron from the magnesium. So after receiving 1 electron, first chlorine will have 1 minus charge. 1 chlorine has received only 1 electron. So first chlorine is this, it was having 2 electrons. Okay, fine. Let me show you magnesium electrons I have drawn with crosses. So everywhere it should be drawn with the crosses only, no dots for magnesium. For chlorine, we are going to show it with the dots. So first shell 2 electrons, second shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, third shell 7 of its own, and 1 from magnesium. So this chlorine, after gaining 1 electron from magnesium, it will have a negative charge, and there will be attractive force between both the magnesium and chlorine, and another chlorine also drawn like this, Cl, first shell, second shell and third shell. First shell will have 1, 2 electrons, second will have 8 electrons, third will have 7 of its own and 1 from magnesium, so it will also have a negative charge. So like this, magnesium will be attracted towards both the chlorines and together the compound will be formed MgCl2. So this is the structure. Mg is having 2 plus charge, one atom is having 2 plus charge, and both the chlorines are having 1 negative charge. So two atoms each having one negative charge, will be balanced by single atom having 2 plus charge. So this is the atomic orbit structure for magnesium chloride. Now we will draw the electron dot structure for this. So electron dot structure, what do? We simply show what? The electrons present in the outermost shell. We do not draw all the shells and show the electrons. Again I am saying you can draw that one also and this one also, until and unless in the question it is specifically said that you have to do atomic orbit structure. If it is told that you have to draw atomic orbit structure, then you will draw this only. Otherwise you can draw the electron dot structure also. So formation of sodium chloride, I am going to show you the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure is Mg, atomic number 12, 282, 2 electrons in the outermost shell, simply shown. Chlorine, there are 2 atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. Cl, 287. Another chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. Cl, 287. Now what will you do? You will show the transfer of electron. So to first chlorine, 1 electron to this chlorine, leave it here, just don't write it over here, will create a confusion, and this chlorine. So to both the chlorines, this is 287, this is 287, both the chlorines you have transferred 1 electron from magnesium. Now what will happen? Magnesium, Mg2 plus, electronic configuration 28, chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 from magnesium, 1 minus, 2, 8, 8. Another chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 from magnesium, 1 minus charge and 2, 8, 8. Like this you will be showing the force of attraction between the magnesium and both the chlorines, and it will result in formation of MgCl2, magnesium chloride. So this is the formation of magnesium chloride. I have shown you the atomic orbit structure as well as the electron dot structure for both the for the magnesium chloride compound, which is an electrovalent, or you can say ionic compound. Again I am repeating, why do we call it as ionic compound? Because it is formed of ions, positive and negative ions.